The world once skipped 10 days and you're still living with the consequences of it. So the story begins with Julius Caesar, and in around 46 BC, Rome's calendar was a total disaster. Seasons did not match the months, harvests were adrift, and political terms were often misaligned. So Julius Caesar decided to do something which was quite extraordinary. He decided to fix time itself. Using Egyptian astronomy, he created the first Julian calendar and he declared January the 1st to be the start of the new year. So, for the first time, Rome actually had a calendar which followed the movement of the sun, and it worked. It worked for centuries. But Caesar's calendar had one tiny flaw. It miscalculated the length of a year by just 11 minutes, which was completely unnoticeable for the people living in that century. So, over 1600 years, those 11 minutes kept piling up. By the 1500s, religious holidays which were tied to the seasons were misaligned, and the world was still following Caesar's calendar, but it seemed like the sun was just not cooperating. That's when Pope Gregory the Eighth realized something terrifying. The calendar was wrong. So in 1582, he instructed astronomers and scholars to fix it. 10 whole days were removed from history. And the people who were following this new calendar went to sleep on October 4th, 1582, and directly woke up on October 15th. Those missing days were never lived. No birthdays, no work days, no moments. It was like somebody woke up and completely decided to edit reality. But the new calendar worked. It kept the year aligned with the movement of the sun, and this calendar came to be known as the Gregorian calendar, which is followed in your phones even today.